Now this is unit number 2 in operating system. We all know about the process. What is the difference between the process and program? So now in this unit, we will explain about the process and the concepts. Now what are the different objectives for the process concepts? First is the concept of a process, the process life cycle. Okay, so the first point, the concept of a process, that what is the point from which the process start and what is the concept behind the process, how we will run our program, and what type of logic we will use for a process. What is the life cycle of process? Because during the execution of the program, then there are a number of stages here, that is called the process life cycle. So we initialize the process first and then we proceed accordingly. Okay, so there are again number of stages here during the execution of the program. So that is called the process and the life cycle of the process. So the third point is the various states and state transitions. So a process consists of number of states and state transitions. State transitions that um, if we are going to change the process from state 1 to state 2, that is the initial state, or we can say the after that initialization, that is the ready state. Okay, and at the end we have the termination of a particular process. So we always terminate the process, then that state is called the end state or the termination state. So we initialize from the starting state and then finish the process, that is called the termination state. So if we are changing the states, that is called the state transitions. Okay, because the process uh, goes from one state to another, second state to third, and third to so on, and at the end, that is called the termination state. So this is called the state transition. Okay, to change the states from one to end. So that is called the state transition. Fourth one is